Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss some solid shapes. Here is a cuboid, and cuboid is a three-dimensional picture, which is also called solid. And this is edge. This line is basically creating an edge, and on this plane, this is a face, which is from this side to this side. This creates a face, and this point, this corner point, is called vertex. This point, corner point, this edge points, corner points is called vertices. So this is called vertex, and on this diagram, the cuboid, there are three hidden edges. So this one edge, this edges, this side edge, and the other side's edges are not shown. That is behind the face for this diagram. So some hidden vertices are also there, and one hidden vertex was basically this here. At this point here we have this vertex, so with one is hidden. In this case, all shown. This hidden part is shown by this dotted lines. So this is so this cube and solid, where all the faces are planes. Every face is a plane. This face is a plane, so every face is a plane. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. 2D is called a rectangle, and from this rectangle we can form a cuboid. And this cube, this is a square, and this 3D picture is, in this 3D picture it is a cube. So every sides are equals. The sphere has only one curved surface, and there is no only curved surface, no plane surface. There's only curved surface, but a cylinder and a cone each has both flat and curved surfaces. So here we have this curved surface, and this is a flat surface. So this is flat surface, this is a curved surface. Prism and pyramids are also three-dimensional solid shapes. Here are two examples of prism. This is a prism, triangular prism, and this is a rectangular prism. Look at the shape of the face. All shapes on each side of the triangular prism is a triangle. On each length of the triangular prism is a triangle. So this is triangle, and on the other side we have another triangle, and there are three rectangles. The cross section of the prism is the same in all the way. The cross section of the prism can be any shape. The cross section of the rectangular prism shown earlier in the rectangle, a rectangular prism is called a cuboid. So this is also a cuboid. A pyramid has a base and a triangular face. Is a base, this is a base, and is a triangular face. So this is a triangular face, this is a triangular face, another is a triangular face. So it's a square based pyramid. It is also a triangle. This is another triangle. There are four triangles and one is square at the bottom. So this is different faces, cylinder, cone, and we have already learned this. And exercise 24.4, yeah, some of name each of these shapes. This is cuboid, this is prism, triangular prism, this is cube, this is a pyramid. So how many faces each, many vertices of these shapes? So we can see this is cuboid, this is a triangular prism, this is a cuboid, and square base pyramid. How many faces and how many of the vertices each of these shapes is in question number 1 have. So this cuboid has 6 faces, this has 6 faces and 8 vertices, 2 at the top and 4 at the top and the 4 at the bottoms. And similarly the edges. So we have on the top we have 4 edges, at the bottom we have 4 edges, and from the vertical projection from the top to bottom we have 4 edges. So there are 12 edges and faces. For part B, triangular prism, this triangular prism, so we can see the faces are 5, 2 triangle and 3 rectangle, and vertices are similarly this point, this point, this point, and here we have this vertices, 6 vertices. So edges are, so here we have this 3 edges, and here we have 3 edges, 3 edges, and this 1, 2, and 3 edges. So 3, 3, 3, 9 edges are there. So it can be observed from here. and this is 9 edges. So faces is for 6 part, see cubit, it's like a cuboid. So this face is 6, vertex is 8, and edge is 12. And part D, we have a square piece pyramid. So vertices are 5, faces 5, edges 8, because we have 4 edges at the bottom and the projection meet at a common vertices. So these 4 edges is at the inclined form and 4 at the base side. So it gives this face, vertices and edges. And name each of these shapes. This is sphere, cylinder, cone, triangular base, pyramid, tetrahedron, also known as tetrahedron. Each of these shape is, question number 1 and 3 are prism. So cuboid is a rectangular prism, triangular prism, cube prism, and this is cylindrical prism. Now, in the next session, we will discuss congruence and similarity, very important subject.